In this video, you are going to see how to insert the calendar symbol in Microsoft Word document as you can see here. Let's get started. We can apply two methods. Let us go to Insert, go to Symbol, go to More Symbol and choose the font Webdings. And let us go down and here you will see the symbol. Click on Insert and click on Insert. Then the calendar symbol will be inserted. If you want, you may change the font color from here very easily. There is another method. Go any browser and write calendar icon and go to image, and here you will see various calendar icon. Let us click on over here, and here is the preview. Click on right button, click on copy image and go to the Microsoft Word document and paste it using Ctrl V. Now select it. You can decrease the size. Go to picture format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can move it or keep it anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.